This is Danny Gould with the Selling Silicon Valley Group. Welcome everyone to our exclusive virtual open house event for 25 South 3rd Street, Unit 113, located here in the beautiful Globe Complex. I can't wait to take all of you into the home. Obviously, with COVID, I hope all of you are staying home, staying healthy, staying safe. And the whole purpose of this virtual open house is for you to really get the gist of what this home has to offer without having you to actually come in person and see the home. Obviously, we'd love for you to come, and if you like what you see, I encourage all of you to schedule a showing and come out and experience it in person, because I love this loft. I cannot wait for all of you to come inside and check it out. All right, everyone, so let's head into the unit right now. This door has given me a lot of problems today. We already locked ourselves out, right, J-Rod? We got the locksmith out here and everything, but here we go. So, welcome home, everyone. J-Rod, show them around, my man. Show them around. This home right here is 800 square feet big, 1 bedroom loft with 1 bathroom and a sink upstairs with the bedroom. So in here, lots of things that you could do with this unit. Obviously, we have it staged as a living room. The clients, my clients, they're a super nice couple. And they decided it was a good time in their life to move. And so they had the furniture this way, kind of right here, and the TV right here mounted on the wall. So obviously we repainted and did everything, patched up all the holes and everything, so you won't have to worry about that, but would highly encourage anyone that's gonna be doing a TV to probably do it there. There could be some arguments for mounting the TV on the wall back there, especially if you're gonna be doing a lot of, like, you know, cooking in the kitchen, and you got the pasta, you know, right? And then we have our kitchen table right there. And full stainless steel appliance suite by General Electric. Nice granite counters here. Hardwood cabinetry. The exposed concrete, this reminds me of kind of like a New York style city loft, everyone. The exposed concrete with the nice staining. When I walked into this unit, that was the one thing that really stood out to me when I came in. So lots to love about this home in particular. When you come in here, you'll notice that the bathroom here, you have a full bathtub, right? And shower as well, kitchen sink, and back here, you have your laundry. So we have laundry machines. Make sure that you write it into the contract. The appliances are definitely negotiable. Okay, so let's come upstairs. You'll notice they have a smart AC system in here as well. And as we come up the stairs here, oof, I did legs yesterday. Leg day was yesterday. It's really rough going up these stairs. Oh no. Okay, all right, so here we have the bedroom. Again, guys, this is a loft style, so lots that you could do here. My idea would be right here, put a nice little standing desk, right? You could put a nice little standing desk right here, right? And you have the sunlight coming in on you, and this would be a really nice place to, like, work from home, right? Do like your work from home thing. And if it's 2 of you that are going to be inhabiting the unit, then I would say put like 2 desks right here. There definitely is space to do it. I mean, it's not a lot of space. I'm not going to oversell it here, but there's definitely enough space to put 2 desks here and work from home. Do the standing desk thing. Don't sit down and hunch over and, you know, be like every other Silicon Valley hunchback. Sit up, right? All right. So let's come in here, and we have our sink. So, and in here we have our walk-in closet. The walk-in closet's very spacious. Okay, so This is the unit in its entirety. J-Rod, did you give him a good feeling of the space, my friend? Because right here we have a lot of space to play with. So I want to make sure everyone gets a feel for this. This feels very big for 800 square feet. I'm just gonna say that right now. I was surprised to see on title. I expected to see somewhere closer to 1,000 square feet. So this definitely feels big for the space that you're getting. And now J-Rod's gonna follow me downstairs. And one of the greatest things about this community, or about this complex, the Globe here, this is not the first home that I've sold in the Globe. I've sold many others. And every time I sell a unit here, inevitably the buyers always rave about the amenities and how proximal it is to so many different things. And so the HOA fee here is $494 per month. Let me just make sure that I got that correct, because if it's $496, I'm gonna get some sticklers. Yes, it's $494 per month. All right, everyone. And follow me, J-Rod. $494 per month actually gets you quite a bit of things. You get access to the amenities, which I'm about to show you. Actually, we're about to head out and go take a look at those, J-Rod. And it also covers utilities like the trash. It covers electricity. There's a maintenance crew. Let's head out here. Now, I get a lot of questions about the safety, and truthfully, any client that I've helped buy here has had nothing but good things to say about the area. First of all, you got smoke eaters right here, which is one of my favorite wing spots in pretty much all of the Bay Area. Really, really close to smoke eaters, as well as many, many other things in downtown San Jose. You could walk to San Pedro Square. You could walk to the Tech Museum. When it's Christmas time, walk to Christmas in the Park. We got District, that's one of my favorite places to eat. The whiskey selection at District, if you're a whiskey lover, phenomenal. If you're a wine lover, too, District has a really great selection of wine. They also have like nice little like wine flights, which I really enjoy. In addition to all of that, at San Pedro Square, we have Farmers Union. That's actually one of my favorite restaurants in Silicon Valley. I really enjoy the salad there. And then we also have SP2. We also have the Huge Market, which has just a variety of different dining options and drinking options, etc. And here we are, everyone. We're at the Globe Fitness Center. Man, we can't take you inside, but this is how close it is. Obviously, it's locked, everyone, because of COVID, right? And so I'm sure that as soon as they get the green light and fitness centers get the green light, they're gonna be open. So if you're interested in really checking out this facility, I highly, highly, highly encourage all of you to schedule a showing and come out and experience it in person. I honestly, of all the units that I've sold over the last several years, this one is probably one of my top 3 in terms of places to really start and begin your Silicon Valley adventure.